Hello, Commodore enthusiasts. Does your Commodore computer look like this? I don't mean those ugly stickers, those will peel off. I mean that old keyboard with broken or missing keycaps, likely still stained with your favorite beverage from the 80s. Wouldn't it be great if you could just swap out those dingy yellow keycaps to make your computer look like new again? What about dressing up that hand-painted gem of yours? Yeah, that's gonna need a lot of work. Now that's more like it. These new cases are a great solution. But there is definitely something still missing here. I would like to have a special keycap color. In this case, I would like to have all clear keycaps. That is exactly why I'm launching this campaign. I want to make brand new keycaps for the Commodore 64 available to everyone. I've spent many months doing research and development, and now I'm ready to go to production. I just need your help to get there. Here is the work I've done to get to this point.